Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to chat with friends on Duolingo. First of all, let me tell you and clear you that there is no way to chat with friends on Duolingo, but you can add friends on Duolingo and I'll show you how to do it. First of all, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Once it's opened, what you have to do is go to the profile icon, which is on the bottom right side of the screen. Click on it, and from here you will see this screen. Now, what you have to do is scroll down just a bit and click on Add Friends. Click on it and you can search by name, you can share follow link, you can choose from contacts. So I will click on choose from contacts and you'll be able to see all of your contacts that are on the Duolingo app as well. So I have only 6 contacts right now. So what you can do is click on any of your contact. For instance, if I click on it and I have successfully sent a friend request to this person on Duolingo, if the person accepts my request on Duolingo, then we will be friends on Duolingo app, just like we are friends on Facebook or any other platform. So you can connect with your friends, but there is no way to chat with friends on Duolingo, but that's how you can add friends on Duolingo. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.